Hey guys, there is a very good bullish news for crypto. There is nothing but WhatsApp is gonna launch cryptocurrency payment through Novi wallets. So what we can do is nothing but if you and me are friends, means I can send you some Ethereum and you can also send me some Ethereums. This is what WhatsApp is gonna do, and it is being launched in US. First of all, they are going to launch it in US, and then after that they will launch this feature in other countries. So I think so. I don't know whether Ethereum will be there, but they are gonna have USDP as the coin. That is nothing but a stable coin like USDT. If you know, Tether means it is nothing but a stable coin like US dollar, digital stable coin, guys. So this feature is already, if you don't know, means this payment feature is already there in a decentralized app called Status. So Status is nothing but a decentralized WhatsApp, guys. So WhatsApp is nothing but a centralized platform, but Status is nothing but a decentralized app in which you can chat with your friends, and like in WhatsApp you can chat with your friends, and like in WhatsApp you can also create a group in the Status app also, guys. So this Status app has many features, guys. Like you can download you can discover many dApps, and you can also have them, and they are also having their own wallets to hold your assets like Ethereum or other Ethereum ERC20 tokens. And you can see, they are I can send any Ethereum based tokens to other wallets, or I can also receive Ethereum tokens to this wallet also. And they are also having the option of buying crypto, but this is not applicable for our country, India. So you cannot buy with the help of this. And in collectibles also you can also have many NFTs, guys. You can also have your NFTs in this wallet itself. So that is a good thing. And next thing is, in WhatsApp there will be a story mode, right? Here also there is a story mode like this. Your friends, every stories will be visible like this, guys. So and the next thing is how you can chat with your friends, means first of all, there is a chat key. You should share this chat key to your friends, and what your friend must do is he should go in this chat area, and he should click this option of start new chat, and he should paste this chat key, guys, so that he will give you some request to you, and you should accept it, and after that you can start chatting, guys. And the first time when you are opening this app, means there will be two options. First is creating a new account, and the second is importing your wallet. Creating a new account will enable you to create a new account, like create a new wallet, guys. They will give you a seed phrase. Store that seed phrase in your notebook or somewhere, guys, so that if you want to import your account, means you can import your old account with the help of the seed phrase, guys. And these guys are these Status guys are not asking any private informations like WhatsApp asks us for many private informations, guys. Like WhatsApp asks our name and many of our private informations, but these guys doesn't ask anything, guys. This chat key is our identity, and this wallet is our identity, guys. This wallet address is our identity, guys. They are not asking any name or any phone number or anything, guys. This is a complete decentralized application where you can chat with your friends, and you can also send photos or videos, or you can do whatever you want in this app like you do in WhatsApp, guys. And another feature is nothing but I can send you 1 Ethereum, or I can request 1 Ethereum from you. So this is one of the most underrated apps, guys. And they are also having their own token, guys. There is nothing but SNT. So right now the 1 SNT's price is 5.8 rupees, guys. So I believe this app will get more recognition in the future, guys. Right now it is more underrated. I think you can go and see this app, and you can use this app, guys. This is more safer, and this is decentralized also, guys.